Welcome to Anna Solution Zone. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass iCloud activation lock from all A12 Plus iPhones and iPads, including China and global variants, by using FrpFile Windows Tool. In order to bypass China or Japan A12 Plus iPhones and iPads, you must have another working iPhone or iPad to download Apple Configurator application from the App Store. This tool supports bypass on all latest iPhone and iPad models. So now, let's start. At first, download and install FrpFile. Also, you will get the iTunes download option after the installation of FrpFile. Just download and install it from there. If you did not get the iTunes download option, even after the installation of FrpFile, then simply open the FrpFile. Go to Toolbox. Click on iTunes Utility. You can also install iTunes from here. Now, the next step is to disable all the antivirus that are installed on your laptop. Also, turn off the Windows Defender. For that, go to search bar at the bottom, search for Windows Security, and then open it. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection. Here, turn off this real-time protection. Now, download the FrpFile bypass tool. For that, open any browser available on your laptop, and then go to this Anna Solution Zone website. After that, click on Tools. Scroll down a little bit and download FrpFile Activator from under the A12 Plus chipset, iPhone and iPad, iCloud Bypass Tools heading. Here, the file has been downloaded. Now, open this zip file in the folder, and then extract it. Open the extracted folder. Right-click on FrpFile Activator, and then click on Run as Administrator. Click on More Info, and then click on Run Anyway. Here, you will get two bypass options. One is without iCloud service bypass, and the other is with iCloud service bypass. So now, let's move to the next step. Here, I'm using a USA variant iPhone. If you are using a China variant iPhone or iPad, then you have to erase the device by using Apple Configurator before using FrpFile bypass tool. For that, take your locked device and disconnect it from the Wi-Fi. For that, go to Country Selection screen on the locked phone. Press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds until you see More Wi-Fi Settings. Click on More Wi-Fi Settings. Click on icon of the connected Wi-Fi. Click on Forget this network. Now, take the other normal Apple device, either iPhone or iPad, and then download Apple Configurator application from the App Store. After that, open the Apple Configurator application. Sign in with the Apple account from Apple School Manager, or Apple Business Manager, or Apple Business Essential. If you do not have such account, then simply contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram. So now, take the locked device and set up to the Wi-Fi connection screen, and place both the device close to each other. Now, scan the locked device screen by using the normal device. Click on Erase on the locked device. After the completion of the erase, set up the locked device until you see the Apple ID and password lock screen by connecting to the same Wi-Fi that is connected to the normal Apple device, where we recently installed the Apple Configurator application. Now, connect the locked phone with the laptop by using USB to Lightning cable or USB to Type-C cable as per your device model. Click on Activate button. Here, you can see, this device is supported for the bypass. Now, copy the device serial number and send it to me on WhatsApp or Telegram for registration. You can also register from the Anna Solution Zone website. The registration price is different for the different services. That is, if you want to register without iCloud service, then it would be cheap price. If you want to register with iCloud services, then it would be little expensive. You can instantly use this bypass tool as soon as the order gets completed. After the device is registered, disconnect and connect the cable just once. So now, click on Activate device. The device might reboot several times during the bypass process. So, don't do anything with the device and wait for the Activate Done message on the bypass tool. If you get any error during the process, then repeat the same steps again, or simply contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram for any help. Here, the tool shows that the device has been activated. So now, let's wait for the device to be turned on. Boom! Here, you can see that this device has been successfully bypassed. Now, open Settings and sign in with your Apple ID. At first try, if you get any issues while signing to your Apple ID, then keep on trying multiple times, you will definitely get success. After successfully log in to the Apple account, now you can fix the Face ID, camera or battery issues, if that appears on your device. For that, connect the device, and then click on Fix Face ID, Camera, Battery button. Swipe up the device screen and click on Trust this computer. Again, swipe up the device screen and click on Trust this computer. Again, swipe up the device screen and click on Trust this computer. Now, check the Face ID, camera and battery on your device. Here, you can see, it's working perfectly now. In this way, you can bypass all the China and global variant, A12 Plus locked iPhones and iPads. If you get any issues during this bypass process, then simply contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram for any help. Also, if you find this video helpful, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.